Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, what is love? A many-splendored thing. A feeling of butterflies in your stomach. A river that flows eternally to the sea. Romantic, right? Unfortunately, that isn't always the case. If you've heard of unrequited love, then you know how equally painful love can be, especially if it is one-sided. Many women aren't forward about their feelings. These women are usually timid, or it isn't in their culture or nature to tell you exactly how they think or feel. You won't know how she feels about you unless you ask her about it, and you dread finding out she doesn't feel the same way you do all this time. But you need not worry. There are ways to make a woman fall for you. You just need to know how to make someone think of you. It might take time, but it's better than hoping for nothing. And no, we're not talking about love potions or hypnosis. We're talking about simple tips and tricks to make someone think about you. According to psychology, love is often the result of longing. You know, that feeling of missing someone, yes, that thing. If allowed to develop, that feeling of longing can turn into affection. As they say, you never know the value of something until it's gone. Unless you're totally sure that your love is unrequited, you always have a chance. Why you'd want to make someone think of you? What do you get when someone is constantly thinking of you? There is a popular belief that says you can't sleep if someone is thinking of you. But even if it's true, it's a small price to pay for love. Other than that, knowing that you are on someone's mind makes you feel valued. You are important to them, part of their life even. Thus, they're thinking of you. You can't always force someone to like you, but there are ways to make them do so involuntarily. In other words, you can use psychology to make them long for you and eventually desire to see you, hear about you, and think of you every day. Knowing that she has feelings for you is a good reassurance that things can lead to something bigger. How to get someone to think about you? You don't need a love potion to make someone think good thoughts about you. All you need is a little bit of patience, a sprinkle of determination, an ounce of luck, and of course, our tips for you to follow. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights and tips. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright, let's dive in and discover how to make someone think of you constantly. Stay tuned. Number 1, talk to her. Whether through chat, text, or face-to-face, always find an opportunity to talk to her. Talking regularly will condition her mind that you are a part of her day. This will play an important role in the later stages of this endeavor. However, ensure not to overdo it to the point where she'll find you annoying. Just be casual. Text her good morning, or maybe ask about her day. Number 2, be someone she'll associate with positivity. Now that you've established yourself as being a part of her day, you should then, as much as possible, associate yourself with positivity. How do you do this? When she's down, pick her up and encourage her to move forward. Be there for her when others can't. And when you see each other in person, always wear a smile on your face. Eventually, she'll come to associate you with happiness. Number 3, share personal details. Exchanging intimate information impacts how her subconscious perceives you. Think of it as planting a seed in her mind that grows with every passing day. Usually, you only share these intimate personal details with relatives. So disclosing these with her will make her believe you have a closer and deeper connection. Number 4, be the man women want. It pays to know what women look for in a man so you can find ways to let her know that you are that man. Read about it if possible. For starters, be a gentleman. Show her that chivalry is still alive. Make her laugh and look at her with love in your eyes, not lust. At this point, you are someone she looks up to, and if you're lucky, she'll start to develop feelings for you. But remember that your goal is to make her think about you because you want to ensure she has feelings for you. You're still halfway there. Number 5, slowly distance yourself from her. Don't ghost her altogether because what you want is for her to realize your value, not leave her. Let her know how sad life is without you. Instead of texting or talking to her every day, do it occasionally. But keep in mind to always tell her the reason why you can't chat so she won't think you're leaving for good. Naturally, you might not feel comfortable distancing yourself from the woman you're in love with. It's counterintuitive, but it makes sense. The powerful psychological trick to make someone think of you is to make them feel the weight of losing you without them realizing it. For example, tell her you've been busy with work lately. She'll understand your situation, and at the same time she'll miss the days when you were always there for her. Your constant texts, chats, and how you used to hang out together. That's why conditioning her mind that you are part of her day is important. Number 6, show her that you haven't changed. On the days that you do talk to her or see each other, show her that you are still the same person. Make her laugh, be there for her when she's down, and keep that smile on your face. If you fail to reassure her, she might end up moving on without you. If you do everything right, she'll start thinking about you. She'll miss the things you do together and the small chit-chat you share every day. And most of all, she'll miss the positivity you bring to her life. But how would you know if she's even thinking of you at this point? She'll start to initiate conversations with you. She can't take not hearing from you for so long. She'll ask if something is bothering you because you seem distant. She'll want to hang out with you every chance she gets. She'll show you her vulnerable side, share her problems. And if you're lucky, this is where your ounce of luck comes in handy, she'll admit that she misses you. Once she manifests some or all of these signs, then you're ready to tell her your intentions. Number 7, tell her that you feel the same way about her. Now that you know she's thinking of you, you'll be reassured that she has feelings for you and that you won't have to worry if your love will go unrequited because, by now, you are sure that she's longing for you. If you are willing to go through the trouble and effort, the reward, knowing that she has feelings for you, will be worth it. Dear viewers, that wraps up our video on how to make someone think of you constantly. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to put them into practice. Remember, the key is to be genuine and thoughtful in your interactions. Consistency and authenticity go a long way in leaving a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Also, leave a comment down below on which tip you're most excited to try, or if you have any other strategies that have worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep making those connections.